What is the best online storage software for getting clips and files and photos off of your computer onto your phone? There's Google Drive, there's Dropbox, there's OneDrive, there's iCloud, AirDrop. I've tried them all, and I can tell you the best one, hands down, both in terms of price and most importantly functionality with downloading into your phone and it actually showing up where it says it's going to show up, because Google Drive, AirDrop, all of these softwares have had issues in the past 6 months, and it hasn't gotten any better. It's gotten even worse, actually, where you'll save a video, it says it saves, you go to your camera roll, it's not there. I have never once experienced this issue with Dropbox, and it is super simple for you to just hit more options in the Dropbox app, hit save video, and you're kind of on your way. So here, I'll show you right now real quick. Say this clip right here, I open up the clip that I want to actually download. If I drag and drop a file onto my computer, it's going to show up kind of in the recents. I hit the 3 dots here. I'm just going to hit save video. As you can see, it's moving fairly quickly. I like that. And boom, let's go check our camera roll. What do you know? Here it is.